What up, YouTube? It's your boy PC. Today we doing a food review. It's Doritos. This is my first time eating Doritos. I am not lying to you. I never ate Doritos ever in my life because I thought it was disgusting. But these are barbecue sweet and tangy, party size. So. Why the chip look like this? It looked demonic. Not bad. I ain't gonna lie. This is that. Now, to the original. Yep. This is the original. Nacho cheese. Never tried it. I'm telling you the truth. I never tried Doritos in my life. Now this looks normal.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.